Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix java.net, that socket exception connection reset error on your Minecraft. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the reasons that trigger this error are complicated and varied, but don't panic. So you can try these easy tips to see if the java.net socket exemption connection error can be fixed. So you can check first the internet connection and just try using a VPN if you are not using one yet, and then just uninstall the Hamichi VPN if you are using it. And then if you're already done this three tips right here and the problem still didn't fix, you can go ahead and continue watching this video. So the first fix is you can change the DNS server. So the java.net socket exemption error is probably made by the connection issue. So you can try to change the DNS server and see if the issue can be resolved. So just press the window plus S key to open the search box and just input the control panel in there to and then just open the result of the best match and switch view by two small icons, and then just choose network and sharing center. So click onto your internet connection, so usually the ethernet, and choose properties. And in the next page, just double click onto the internet protocol version 4 and check the options of the use the following IP address and then use the following DNS server address. Then just input 8888 for the box next to the preferred DNS server right here, as you can see here in the photo. And then just put the 8844 for the box next to the alternate DNS server. So again, just check the box for validate settings upon exit, and then choose OK to save your choice. So here are the box for the validate settings upon exit, and then click OK to finalize the action. So that's it for the first fix, and the next fix that you can do is you can renew your system's IP address. So to fix the java.net that socket exemption connection reset error, another way is to release and renew your system IP address. So here's the way. First, you just type the CMD in your search bar or the command, and just run the command prompt as administrator. And then when the command prompt window opens, you can enter the following commands and press enter after every one of them. And then here are those commands right here. So just make sure that you press enter after every one of them, and when the command is finished, a new line appears at the bottom of the command prompt screen that contains an IP address. Then you can close the window and just relaunch again the Minecraft to see if the issue is resolved. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.